Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Aortic stenosis, and you're looking at its grading. So the grading is divided into mild, moderate, and severe. So when you talk about mild means the area of aortic valve. So the other component we are seeing here is area of the aortic valve. So here in terms of mild, it is going to be 1.5 to 2 square centimeters. Next we move on to the moderate variety. So we saw mild and then we move on to the moderate type. So in terms of the moderate type, it is going to be 1 to 1.5 square centimeters. So when you are moving to mild, it has a maximum area, and severe, it has a reducing area. So then to watch the full video, please click on the link below and it will redirect you to the main video.